Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In last video we discuss what is the procedure and how to apply for a bike through Meezan bank. So guys, in this video we will discuss when you select a bike of a company and calculate the total cost of the bike and what is the monthly rent of the bike. So let's go to the video. This is the site of Meezan bank Ijarah for bike rental. So in previous video we discussed what is the Meezan bank Ijarah, its key features, bike Ijarah features, basic features, salient features, selling features, and what is a Ijarah Sharia compliant, and required documents, and how can apply, who can avail bike Ijarah facilities, and what is the 250cc bike eligibility criteria, and last is what is the procedure of the applications. So here we go. The next we will discuss about the calculator and use our calculator to compare different bikes and payment plans. So let's go to the calculator and let's see what happened. We select a bike and what is the total cost of this and what is the monthly rent of this. So select a vendor, it's a company brand name. We select the Honda bike, select the bike, click select the bike, and we select Honda CB 125F Special Edition, Honda CB 150F, Honda CB 150F Special Edition, Honda Dream 70, Honda CD70, Honda CG 125 Special Edition, Honda CG 125, Honda Pride 100. So we can't discuss all the bikes, but we discuss the number one is Honda CD Dream 70. So we select the Honda Dream 70, and next step is click tenure, 1 year, 2 year or 3 year. We click on 3 year, and after this deposit. How can you deposit total price from 15% to 50%? Either one bike is price of 1 lakh, you can deposit the 15% to 50%. Like if you want to deposit 15%, you will deposit 15,000 of 1 lakh, or you can deposit 20%. You deposit 20,000 of 1 lakh. So if you want to deposit 50%, so 50,000 you will deposit for 1 lakh. So we can select 30% of total price of the bike, and then click the calculate button, and this is the all the options are available for this bike. Vehicle detail, Honda CD70 Dream, we apply for that. The Honda CD Dream delivering exceptional fuel efficiency and is environment friendly. It's a bike feature. And what is the price of the vehicle? Total price of the vehicle is 1,13,500. Residual value is 0%. Security deposit is 34,050. It is the 30% of total price, and 1,800 is its processing fee. Total upfront is 35,850 rupees when you apply for a bike. Monthly payment, go to the monthly payment. Number of month is total 36. Rent per month is 3,700. You will pay 3,700 per month for 36 months. So that is the Honda Dream, all its feature. How can you apply and calculate the total price and calculate the total rent per month. So we go to the next calculator, select Honda, and then go to another bike, and let's see what happened. We discuss about the select Honda CG 125, and then click to the tenure. Its tenure is 2 year, and deposit. Our deposit is 25% of total price. So we click the calculate button and calculate how to what is the all the price and its monthly rent. So here we go. Honda CD70, the 125 4-stroke engine generates 11 horsepower with low fuel consumption. Its feature: total price of vehicle is 1,68,500 rupees. Residual value is 0. Security deposit at the first time, that is 42,125 rupees. That is 25% of the total price. And next is total upfront is 43,925 rupees at the time of deposit, at the time of your contract with the bank. And its monthly payment is for 2 year is 24 months, and 24 month per month rent per month is 7,376 rupees. So this is the total calculation of the bike. And we go to the next calculator, select the vendor. We select Yamaha bike. Select the bike. We select YBR 125, and next select the tenure is about 3 year, and deposit of total price is 50%, and then calculate the total value and click the calculate. So this is the complete detail of the bike is this. So Yamaha YBR 125, this punchy 4-stroke will happily propel you around city streets with its smooth fuel injection and 5-speed gearbox. So total price is 2,55,000 rupees. Residual value is 0. Security deposit is 1,27,500. That is the 50% of the total price. Processing fee is as all other bikes is 1,800 for all bikes. That is the processing fees between user and Meezan Bank. Total upfront when you apply for a bike is 1,29,300 rupees, and total number of payment month is 36, and rent per month is 6,109 rupees. So guys, these are the complete detail and calculation of the different bikes. You can calculate from this, and you can apply easily for the calculation of this, and you easily estimate all the payments and its rents per month. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.